If you're on the hunt for a new action cam, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro might catch your eye. But if you're a die-hard GoPro fan, you might want to wait for the Hero 13 Black, possibly hitting shelves in September. So, what's the scoop on the Action 5 Pro? Last month, we got a hint that DJI's new contender was on the way. Now, thanks to an image leak, we've got a better idea of what it might offer. The well-known DJI leaker at OCTALV shared an image of what looks like the successor to the DJI Osmo Action 4, which dropped in August 2023. Just like the Action 4, you can see some of its specs printed right on the lens. But here's the deal. If you were expecting a big jump, like a 1-inch sensor, you might be let down. We were too. The Action 5 Pro's key specs seem to mirror the Action 4. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, an f2.8 aperture, and a 155-degree field of view. Now, here's something interesting. An FCC filing from July 7th hints at some upgrades, including a bigger 1,950 mAh battery, up from the 1,770 mAh in the current model, and support for Wi-Fi 6. It looks like DJI is gearing up for a launch, but what other features could make this model earn its Pro title? Even though it looks similar to the Action 4, there's a chance that a new processor could bring better image stabilization, higher video bit rates, and improved photography modes. With these leaks and the recent FCC filing, we shouldn't have to wait too long to get the official specs. Stay tuned to see if the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro will be your next go-to action cam, or if you'll hold out for the next GoPro. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.